And at that time, Ikrimah ibn Abi Jahl. Imagine Ikrimah, the son of the Fir'aun of this ummah, the son of the enemy of Allah, the son of that zalim, that oppressor. But he was a mu'min, he was a believer, he was a Muslim, he was standing with the believers, with the Sahaba. He said, look, I'm going to go and push against them. And he took the sheath from his sword and broke it. And he said, give bay'ah with me, whoever is ready, that we're going to go and attack the enemy and keep pushing until Allah makes us shuhada. Ikram ibn Jahl radiallahu anhu. With him, Harith ibn Hisham, his uncle, and the brother of Abu Jahl, but now a believer, a mujahid fi sabilillah. They started to move. With them, Suhail ibn Amr, Suhail ibn Umayyah, like these were enemies of Islam before. Today they were fighting for Islam. They're tawbah, they're turning around, is what we need to remember. Khalid ibn al-Walid is telling them, no, I need you. I don't want you guys to go and I'm strategizing. They said no. Ikrimah and Khalid, they're related. Ikrimah, he pushes Khalid ibn al-Walid. And he tells him, in Jahiliyyah, you were brave, what happened to you now? Khalid ibn al-Walid tells him, it's not that I'm not brave, but there has to be a plan. He said no. He said, if they're about to get to the women and children and the injured, we're just going to push. And they pushed. And they fought until they made 200,000 soldiers run. These few handful of people with checkered pasts, but with the power of Iman, pushed back 200,000. This is why when we tell people the solution to the Muslim Ummah's problem is Iman, is Aqeedah, is fixing ourselves, is standing firm on the Quran and the Sunnah,